Today we're making chocolate muffins soft, fluffy, and incredibly delicious without even using a mixer. All you need are simple ingredients like eggs, sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, fresh milk, and cooking oil. Everything is already in your kitchen. Let's get started right now. First, crack 2 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Then add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now add all the prepared sugar into the bowl, about 100 grams. Use a whisk and beat the mixture of eggs, salt, and sugar together. Keep whisking until the sugar is completely dissolved. The mixture turns pale yellow and becomes light and frothy. That's when you know it's ready. Now pour about 120 milliliters of unsweetened fresh milk into the mixture of eggs, sugar, and salt that we just beat. Next, add 80 milliliters of cooking oil into the bowl. Fresh milk adds essential moisture, resulting in a soft, tender cake with a delicious creamy taste. Cooking oil ensures the cake stays moist and soft, even when cooled, prevents dryness, and gives it a wonderfully light, fluffy, and silky texture. Now place a sieve over the bowl and add the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder directly into the sieve. Then sift everything together into the wet mixture. Sifting all the dry ingredients at once removes any lumps, aerates the flour, and helps them blend much more easily with the wet ingredients. This simple trick ensures your batter becomes incredibly smooth, giving you muffins that are light, fluffy, and beautifully risen, with that rich dark chocolate color and deep cocoa flavor in every bite. Here's a quick tip: prepare 2 separate bowls. One for the wet ingredients, eggs, sugar, milk, oil, and one for the dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder. Then pour the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Fold gently until just combined. Do not overmix, or the muffins will become tough and dense. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below to let me know. It's great to see us from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by pressing the subscribe button. It's wonderful to see your support. Now transfer the batter into a piping bag. This makes it so much easier to divide the batter evenly into the mini muffin molds without any mess. Simply snip off the tip, pipe the batter into each mold, and you'll get perfectly portioned muffins every time. Quick, clean, and hassle-free. Now prepare your baking tray and place the mini muffin molds onto it. About 20 to 25 molds depending on the size of your tray. and how many muffins you want to make. Make sure to arrange them evenly so they bake uniformly. Now pipe or spoon a sufficient amount of the prepared muffin batter into each small mold. Be careful not to fill the paper liners all the way to the top. Just fill them about halfway, or at most 2/3 full. This leaves enough room for the muffins to rise properly during baking without spilling over, giving you beautifully domed, perfectly shaped muffins. Repeat this process until all the muffin batter has been evenly distributed into every single mold. Keep going until every paper liner is filled to the same level and no batter is left behind, making sure each muffin bakes uniformly and comes out perfectly and fluffy. Now it's time to place the prepared chocolate muffin tray into the oven for baking. But before that, remember to preheat the oven in advance. This is a crucial step to ensure your muffins bake evenly and rise perfectly from the moment they go in. A properly preheated oven gives you beautifully domed muffins with a rich, deep brown color and that soft, fluffy texture every single time. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at the same temperature. Keep an eye on them. The muffins are done when they've risen nicely. Now let's open the oven and see the results. Oh my! The smell is absolutely incredible. The rich chocolate aroma fills the entire kitchen. And look at that! The muffins have risen so beautifully, with perfectly domed tops and that gorgeous deep brown color. They look absolutely perfect and smell heavenly. Video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like. Don't forget to share the video with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.